Wait, who got voted off last week?
The brothers.
There were brothers?
Yeah, with that one.
Hey, you guys hungry or something?
You know, I could share something.
Okay, well, let me call Rebecca, because if we're gonna go out later, I don't want to eat now. But if we're not going out later, I'll totally go out with you guys. Okay, hang on. Hey Rebecca, what are you doing? Where are you going? Who are you with? Tell me all the things you're doing. I hope it's really fun. Just try to pretend like I'm not being annoying. Okay, well, are you gonna eat? Because if you're not gonna eat, then I won't eat and we'll just get food later. Okay, great, date. Okay. Rebecca. Hey, Rebecca, what? I love you. Rebecca, say I love you. Okay, I love you too.
What is she thinking? What is she thinking about what she built?
Oh, she's with the girls, Jen, Karen, Katie, and Sarah.
Oh, that's a good group.
That's a really good group.
They're playing that foot game, but I don't know. But they're not gonna eat, so I'm not gonna eat. But you guys should totally share something.
I don't really need anything. Did you guys have big breakfasts? I actually had the Jamie Lee Curtis yogurt.
You know, I digested a huge gust of wind on my way.
I shared a bagel with the garbage.
I had 2 chocolate cheesecakes. Yeah, whatever. I'm fat.
You gonna be on the show next?
Well, I want to be on the show. Well, I'm going to be on the show. Whatever. I love myself and I hate myself, but my diet starts tomorrow.
Our diet starts tomorrow. Can I be real with you guys for a second? Anne-Marie's been doing something that's really been bothering me. And you know, when we go out, yeah, it's warm during the day, but if we're out at night, the temperature's gonna drop. And you know what she's gonna want? My fall coat. Tell me I'm being crazy if I'm being crazy, because I want to know.
Yeah, why would you do that? It's just rude. I'm not gonna tell you you're being crazy, because you're not being crazy, okay? She being crazy.
Oh my gosh, look who lost a bunch of weight.
Good for her.
No, that's what I'm shooting for.
Get it?
That's like 200 pounds more than you already weigh.
Well,
You know, how was work?
Okay, I don't want to start work. I had a really weird week at work last week, okay? And I came home, I felt like such a cockeye, you know? I mean, okay, I know it's not Maggie's responsibility to pay me endless and personalized compliments every 5 seconds on the second, but isn't it?
Oh, for
God.
sure. She's a girlfriend.
Exactly. I mean, that's the friend part, you know?
And she's not just a girl.
Exactly. She's not just a girl. I mean, she is just a girl, rather. As long as she's a girl and a boy or anything, she's just a girl. But she's also my friend. You know what I mean? So I went out and I got 3 pink berries.
Oh, you got like that.
Good idea.
wait, what's a pink berry? Just tell me.
It's toast the best hunt cow froyo.
OMG, hunt cow? Hunt cow? OMG, I'm mad. I didn't know about that.
L-M-A-O, L-M-A-O.
Oh my god. I just know my mom, right? She had to put down my cat.
testes.
Yes.